Hello, good morning and welcome you all my dear students. Today I am going to explain you the second part of previous chapter on the face of it. This is chapter 6 of your Vistas. So dear students, in the first part I have already explained you about the play which is about the friendship between an old man, Mr. Lamb, and a young boy named Derry. Derry, who is hopeless, withdrawn, defiant, having negative attitude towards the people. Both of them suffer from physical impairment. Old man, Mr. Lamb, has a tin leg because he got one of his legs blown off in the war. On the other hand, young boy Derry has one side of his face disfigured as he was burnt by acid. Mr. Lamb has a very positive attitude towards life and people. Both were totally pole apart in their thinking, temperament and behavior. Derry is suffering from inferiority complex due to his burnt face. One side of his face was burnt by acid. That's why he suffers from tremendous sense of inferiority complex. So dear students, people with some physical disability or impairment are often pitied and ridiculed by others. This makes them develop a sense of inferiority. They form a shell around themselves, begin to lead a life of seclusion. So, dear students, after the meeting with Mr. Lamb, Derry's brief association with Mr. Lamb changed him from a bitter, pessimistic and complex-ridden boy to a mature and confident person. His attitude towards life underwent a transformation. So dear students, I am just telling you that Mr. Lamb cited many examples to encourage him. And here I am showing you one example which is given by Mr. Lamb. Pay attention. Yes, Mr. Lamb showed green plants and he asked him, "What are you seeing there?" Derry replied, "They are plants. One green plant is called a weed, another flower." मिस्टर लैम ने कहा, एक ग्रीन प्लांट को हम वीड कहते हैं. वीड मीन्स वीड दैट इज अनवांटेड प्लांट. उन्होंने कहा एक प्लांट को हम वीड कह रहे हैं, अनवांटेड प्लांट, और दूसरे को हम फ्लावरी प्लांट कह रहे हैं. व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस? Where is the difference? It is all life. It is growing. Both are green. Both are creation of God. Both are growing. So where is difference? Difference is only that we have to see the things in what manner. Difference of our attitude. Beads, that is in negative sense, and flowery plant in positive sense. So he wanted to encourage him by showing it's all life, it is growing. Then he said Lamb that he got one of his legs, it was not real one, and it was of 10 leg. 10 lakh because real one had blown off in war. And he also told him that some kids teased him by saying lamb, lamb, but he didn't mind. A tin leg or burnt face are not the only things to be taken notice of or to be stared at. He wanted to say that it doesn't matter that we have one face, ugly face, or tin leg. These are not very important. You are standing there, I am sitting here. Where is the difference? Then he told, there are so many other things like crab apples, beets, sunflowers, beautiful objects in nature. They deserve our attention. And Mr. Lamb enjoys life and people as much as he can. So, dear students, he said, difference is only that I am old, you are young. You have got a burnt face, I have got a tin leg. Not important. You are standing there, I am sitting here. Where is the difference? Difference is only in our attitude to see the things. Then he said there are lot of things which attract our attention. You can see like crab apples, beets, spider climbing, silken ladder, or my tall sunflowers. Then he wanted to encourage him by saying that he used to enjoy each and every moment of the life fully. And then he said, it's not what you look like, it's what you are inside. I am just marking here. Mr. Lamb wanted to encourage him, and he said that it's not matter how we look like. Physical appearance doesn't matter. It matters a lot how we are inside. Handsome is as handsome does. उन्होंने कहा ये मायने नहीं रखता कि आपकी सूरत कैसी है, आपका फिजिकल अपीयरेंस कैसा है. इट मैटर्स ए लॉट दैट हाउ आर यू इनसाइड. आई होप यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. नेक्स्ट आई एम गोइंग टू कंटिन्यू. Then he encouraged him by saying, beauty loved the monstrous beast for himself. When he kissed him, he changed into a handsome prince. Only he won't. He would have stayed a monstrous beast. I won't change. But Daddy was immature. He was insensitive boy, and he suffered from inferiority complex because of his burnt face. Then he told that no one liked him except his mother, and his mother won't kiss on that side where it was burnt. So no one would accept him because he had burnt face. He was ugliest. Derry's brief association with Mr. Lamb changed him. He got encouraged by Mr. Lamb's unending enthusiasm and unceasing zeal to live life. Dear students, the greatest gift which we can give to such people who are physically challenged, and that is the gift of enthusiasm to live. Enthusiasm or zeal to live. Enthusiasm to live जीवन जीने के लिए उत्साह प्रदान करना, उमंग प्रदान करना। एंड वी कैन से व्हाट इज द ट्रू मीनिंग ऑफ लाइफ। सो दिस इज द बेस्ट गिफ्ट विच कैन बी गिवन बाय पेरेंट्स एंड एल्डर्स टू सच पीपल who suffer from physical disability or impairment. As a responsible citizen, it is our duty to treat such people with love and affection, not to make them a subject of our pity or ridicule. We should try to understand their infirmity, empathize with them. We must give them due respect and thus motivate them to feel at par with the others in society. We should not make them realize that they are different from us. We must make them aware of the innumerable opportunities available to them, bring a ray of hope in their lives. So you can see, after the meeting with Mr. Lam, a drastic change came over him. But Derry says actual pain or inconvenience due to physical impairment is often much less than the sense of alienation. It creates a feeling of loneliness in the physically disabled persons. People in the society make him realize that he is not like them, maintain a distance from him. So dear students, I am telling that in what manner his feelings got hurt. When he said that cruel and charitable remarks of the people, they hurt him a lot. वो कहता है कि एसिड बर्न से फिज़िकल पेन हुआ, ये शारीरिक पीड़ा थी, लेकिन लोगों की अनचैरिटेबल एंड क्रूअल रिमार्क्स वो उसकी फीलिंग्स को, उसकी आत्मा को हर्ट करते हैं. Mr. Lam wanted to convince him that shut your eyes, don't bother what the people are saying. उन्होंने कहा अपने कान बंद कर लो, ये परवाह मत करो कि लोग जो हैं क्या कह रहे हैं. Now he gave one more example to encourage him. उन्होंने कहा दुनिया से भाग जाने में सॉल्यूशन नहीं है. Talent develops in solitude, but personality in the full current of the society. हमारी प्रतिभा का विकास एकांत में होता है, लेकिन हमारी पर्सनैलिटी समाज के बीच में ही डेवलप होती है. उन्होंने कहा कि जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं उसको समाज के बीच में रह के, लोगों के बीच में रह के उस चैलेंज को एक्सेप्ट करना, उससे भाग जाना, ये सॉल्यूशन नहीं है. नाउ ही गेव वन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ ए मैन. यू कैन सी, यस, सी. He said there was a man and he was afraid of everything. वो व्यक्ति हर किसी से, हर चीज़ से डरता था. Afraid of everything. उसको लगता था कि घर से बाहर निकलेगा कोई ट्रेजेडी ना हो जाए. So he used to keep himself locked in room. उसने अपने को एक रूम में लॉक कर लिया. Because he was afraid of everything or anything. So everything in this world, bus might run him over. उसको लगता था कहीं बस उसको कुचल ना जाए, कहीं कोई जर्म्स उसमें एंटर ना कर जाए, कहीं डंकी उसको किक करे और वो उसकी डेथ हो जाए, कहीं लाइटनिंग से उसकी डेथ ना हो जाए. Or he might love a girl and the girl would leave him. He might slip on a banana and would be the laughing stock. So he went into his room, locked the door, got into his bed. और उसने क्या करा, अपने को लॉक कर लिया. So such people, those who suffer from inferiority complex, they form a shell around themselves, begin to lead a life of loneliness. So what happened? A picture fell off the wall onto his head and killed him, and the person died. So by giving such example, he wanted to encourage him that we must accept the challenges, we must accept the life in what manner we have, always ready to accept the challenges. So Derry told him that you told very peculiar things. आप बहुत peculiar things कहते हैं, बहुत अनोखी बात करते हैं. Then he asked him that how do you do all day? How did he pass his time? उन्होंने कहा आप अपना टाइम कैसे स्पेंड करते हो? So Mr. Lamb replied, when it's a bit cool, he keeps himself busy by getting a ladder, a stick and pulling down the crab apples. He calls them magic fruit, likes to make jelly out of them. He told him that he used to enjoy each and every moment of life by sitting in the sun, reading books and enjoying in the lap of nature. Then he asked, there are not any curtains at the windows? Mr. Lamb replied he didn't like curtains because curtains shut everything. He was open-hearted, open-minded, always ready to welcome the people, and he believed in living, loving, cheering and caring. And he said, people come in every day, the gate is always open, they come and sit here in front of the fire. In winter, kids come for the apples, pears, for toffees. I make toffees with honey. Anybody comes, so have you. I am not different, certainly you are. So far, I am concerned. What have you done to make me think you are? So dear students, in this part, the author wanted to say that Mr. Lamb was a person full of hope and full of life, though he was also the victim of physical disability. His attitude towards life was very positive. He was optimistic. Now Derry got encouraged by Mr. Lamb's unending enthusiasm and unceasing zeal to live life. Thus Mr. Lamb's unfailing optimism helped transform Derek completely. Derek was his full name. Mr. Lamb's conversation with him about everything and everybody being essentially the same, his notion of beauty being relative, his talk about pretty girls, love, his concept of world and friendship, and he talked to him. So in this way, Derry could open his heart, and he talked to him about his friends, about his life. Thus Derek's chance meeting with Mr. Lamb proved meaning for him. It became a turning point in his life. So dear students, keep watching my videos, and in third part I will give you the conclusion of this story. I hope you can understand well, and give your comments, compliments in the comment box. Thank you. Have a fruitful day.